Yes. Very good morning, students. Now, class 10th students, today I am going to start chapter 4. This is my first video on From the Diary of Anne Frank. So, this is actually students, it is a autobiography and written by Anne Frank. So, you know this From the Diary of Anne Frank from the first flight. Clear? So now this Anne Frank, what the name? Anneliese Mary Anne Frank. His full name is Anneliese Mary Anne Frank. She was 13 years old, Jewish girl. Anne Frank, 13 years old, Jewish girl, and now her father gifted a diary. Miss Anne Frank got the diary by her father. So she decided to write a diary, hidden, and which she considered to be the best friend in loneliness. So, and named her. She also named this diary as a Kitty. Now, students, this a girl, Germany girl, and Amsterdam during the German occupations of the Netherlands in World War II. Now, Anne Frank began writing in June 1942. Anne Frank writing the diary or writing about herself, anything else, started in 1942. Now, in her first diary, she expressed her desire, she expressed her thoughts, and each and everything, whatever she wanted, and confide everything to the diary, as she had not been able to do so anyone else. So here she felt that paper had more patience. Paper had more patience than human being, than any other people or a friend. So secondly, whatever she thought, that nobody would be interested in her diary. So as she was a small girl, when she is trying to explain something or share a thought to somebody else, so nobody showed the interest. She puzzled, she so much confused. So she decided to write a diary. And people have not patience. They are not interested to listen the things. So that's why she thought that now paper have a lot of patience. That's why she decided to write a diary. Now her childhood and family. What her family? Okay, now here Anne Frank called her father as the most adorable person. Here she told her about her father that my father was a very adorable person and he was 36 when he was married her mother. Means the age of her father was 36 when her father married her with her mother. And who was just 25. Means mother's age was 25 and father's age was 36. There is 11 years difference. So she has an older sister Margot. Means Anne Frank, other than Anne Frank, one more sister is also there, and the name of that sister is Margot. And she had about 30 people around her, means near about her in her family or in her community, more than 30 people were there at that time. But she had no true friend, which she shared the thoughts. So she lived in Frankfurt to some time, but she had more Jewish. They had to migrate to Holland for refuge. So her mother stayed with her grandmother but went Holland to her father. So now at that time the grandmother loved Anne Frank too much. So she was so much attached with her grandmother. So now she was sent to the Montessori. She was sent to the Montessori nursery school. She stayed there until she was 6 years old only. At her farewell, now she and her head mistress, means the principal of that school, Mrs. What the name of the head mistress of the Montessori school, nursery school is Pupirus, had tears in her eyes because the principal is attached too much with the Anne Frank. Now in the summer of 1941, her grandmother fell ill suddenly, and she was very attached and she liked too much her grandmother. She had to be operated upon, but she died in January 1942. Now she becomes so lonely, and nobody is there to share the thought, nobody is there to listen her queries, her problems. It gave Anne Frank a shock, a lot of shock, because his grandmother is no more in the world. And she write her diary in that period, because she becomes so sad. But after that, she wrote again and again, and she shared the thought in the diary and of her grandmother's love and affection and attachment. Whatever she thought about her grandmother, about her father, mother, each and everything she wrote in the diary. Even her friends also. Anne Frank have 4 friends, but even then she feel loneliness. So each and everything she is trying to share in the diary. She said that nobody is have a patience, nobody is want to listen my queries, or nobody want to share my thoughts. So my best friend is my kitty, that is the diary. And here now Anne Frank was a good student and had a good relationship with all the teachers. And except Mr. Kissing. I know who was Mr. Kissing. Mr. Kissing was a math teacher, and who thought her math, Miss Mr. Kissing, thought that now Anne Frank is talking a lot of. When she started explaining writing the question on the board, so she start talking. So now when Mr. Kissing start teaching her math, so she was always annoyed by her talkative nature. So he used to give her an extra homework as a punishment. He asked her to write an essay on a chatterbox as a punish. So he also put a slip of it and on her back and remind her about it. When the Mr. Kissing asked her, somebody is talking in your home, so she said that yes, my mother is talking too much, that's why I am also. So this is the inheritance. So now Mr. Kissing read Anne's essay when Anne Frank means Mr. Kissing gave a punishment as you have to write an essay on the chatterbox. So student, this rest further I will explain you in the next second video. So read this chapter very carefully. Okay, bye.